This is how to do a infinite wrist roll or infinite back-to-back wrist roll. This move is also going to depend on your chain. If your chain's really long, it might be a lot more difficult to do this, or your string is too long, it might be too difficult. But you want to have your chain about right here, across where your wrist is. You don't want it to hang too low, but just across your wrist is going to be just fine. Starting out here, I would hold it closer to this side of the chucks, not so much at the bottom. This is more for combat, this is more for wrist rolls and tricks. You're gonna have way more control if you're holding it here. Starting out with your chucks facing down, bring it over your wrist. You're gonna let go of the chuck, grab the next one, swing down. At this position, you're gonna bring it back over your wrist, let go of the chucks, and grab again. Just practice this movement until you get down the idea of letting go of your chucks, grabbing onto the next one. The more momentum you get in there, the easier it's going to be to keep catching and letting go, and catching and letting go. Another thing you can do if you're working on it, try to do 1, 2, stop. So 1, 2, stop. From here, let's do 3. 1, 2, 3, and stop. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you keep on going up. I sometimes go all the way up to 10. That way I already know I can stop at any moment that I want to and then continue to the next move. This is a good move to do when you're working with any other wrist roll because you can add it into any combinations. It is tough using this technique, but once you do it enough times, it's going to be like muscle memory. You're going to be able to keep on going and just never stop. So if you want to add something different to it, come in here, out here, and then bring it into the infinite wrist roll. Again, outside, inside, infinite. Outside, some short wrist rolls, come up here, and then reset into your infinite wrist roll. This can be done with many different freestyles and combinations, so work on it, add it to your next combo move, and let me know if you need help with any other moves. Thank you guys for being here, and I'll see you at the next one.